Alex is using a drug, a medicine to take away the pain of toothache.
Katie's using a drug to clear her blocked nose. Gemma uses a drug, a medicine to help her asthma.
Gemma uses a drug every day to control her diabetes. All of us take drugs sometime.
We decided to look for drugs in school.
And at home.
I knocked at their door, as myself this time.
We got some of our friends to help us.
Sorry to disturb you, Mrs. Andrews, but we're doing this survey about drugs and medicines in our school. Have you got any medicines that you could show us, please?
Right, we have, Sarah, in the drawer. We've got the inhalers, some eye drops, and the tablets.
We wrote down all the drugs we found and where they were in the school.
Penicillin.
We asked to look in the staff room fridge.
Okay, cola. Inhalers. There's 19.
We found drugs all around the school. Some were medicines, some were not.
Hi. Can we have a look around your room because we're doing a survey, please?
Of course you can.
Smoking cigarettes, tobacco.
What?
Yeah.
In the caretakers, there's 1 coffee, 1 tobacco, and 1 tea. That's in non-medicine. And 3 blue circles.
Blue circles are drugs that weren't medicines.
And class 2 got paracetamol and 2 inhalers, so that's
Red crosses for medicines.
crosses in class 2.
We found drugs in the classrooms, in the staff room, with the nurse, and in the caretaker's room.
First we have an inhaler.
We found drugs all around the house.
We found drugs in the corner shop.
Medicines: Anodine, Lemsip, Andrews. Non-medicines: beer, lager, cider.
We found things that could be used as drugs.
We found lots and lots of drugs at home, in school and in the shops. We found drugs that were medicines and drugs that weren't medicines.
Remember which drug Alex took for his toothache? Aspirin is a drug that goes into the stomach and then to the brain to relieve pain. It's a drug we take by mouth. It's a medicine. It's not dangerous if you use it properly. Aspirin is not usually addictive.
Gemma uses the drug insulin to treat her diabetes. Insulin is a medicine. Insulin is injected. It's a medicine. It's not dangerous used properly. Insulin is not addictive.
These people are taking a drug. Beer contains alcohol, a drug that affects our body. Alcohol goes into our stomach and affects our brain. It's a drug that we take by mouth. It's not a medicine. Alcohol can be dangerous. Alcohol can be addictive.
Cigarettes contain the drug nicotine. Nicotine is breathed into our lungs and affects the brain. Nicotine is a very dangerous drug. It's certainly not a medicine. It can lead to lung cancer and other illnesses. Nicotine is highly addictive.
So, there's some problems with some drugs. Drugs like nicotine and alcohol can damage your health, and you can become addicted to them. Your body wants more and more of the drug. Some drugs like heroin, cocaine, they can damage your health, and you can become addicted, and they're illegal to get, except from a doctor. But how do you know what's in any old pills and powders?
You don't.
That's right. You don't, do you? Bye-bye.
Bye. I know, not even worth waiting for.
Has been taken up. What order?
Who's he?
That's that kid I was telling you about.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Huh?
We'll have him.
Yeah.
That'll be a laugh, don't we?